Hello kids. Today I will tell you a scary story of Qaswa. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep in the woods, there lived a young girl named Qaswa. Qaswa was known for her mischievous nature and her insatiable curiosity, which often led her into trouble. One fateful day, she stumbled upon an old, tattered book hidden in the attic of her grandmother's house. Intrigued by the mysterious book, Qaswa began flipping through its pages, oblivious to the warning signs. Unbeknownst to her, the book was enchanted, containing a dark and ancient spell that had been sealed away for centuries. As she reached the final page, the spell was inadvertently released, casting a malevolent shadow over the village. That very night, as the moon rose high in the sky, a thick fog rolled in, shrouding the village in an eerie silence. Qaswa, oblivious to the chaos she had unleashed, lay in her bed, unaware of the unfolding nightmare outside her window. In the heart of the village, the once friendly townsfolk began to change. Their eyes turned hollow, their smiles twisted into malicious grins. Possessed by an unknown force, they roamed the streets, spreading fear and despair wherever they went. The village became a haunting place, with shadows lurking in every corner and whispers of dark secrets carried on the wind. Qaswa, awoken by the commotion, cautiously ventured outside, her heart pounding with fear. The once familiar streets were now a labyrinth of nightmares, and she struggled to find her way through the chaos. She journeyed deep into the forest, seeking the help of an old hermit rumored to possess knowledge of ancient magic. With every step, the forest grew darker, the trees twisted and gnarled, seemingly alive with malevolence. Finally, Qaswa reached the hermit's secluded cabin. The hermit, a wizened old man with piercing eyes, listened to her plea and agreed to help. He revealed that the only way to break the curse was to find the book's creator and convince them to undo the spell. Guided by the hermit's instructions, Qaswa embarked on a treacherous quest to find the elusive creator. Along her journey, she faced numerous trials, battling dangerous creatures and overcoming perilous obstacles. She witnessed the devastating effects of her actions as the cursed village suffered in her absence. After what felt like an eternity, Qaswa finally found the creator of the enchanted book, a frail old woman living in seclusion. With tears in her eyes, Qaswa begged the woman to undo the spell and save her village. Moved by Qaswa's sincerity and remorse, the woman agreed to reverse the curse. As the enchantment was lifted, the fog dissipated, and the possessed villagers returned to their normal selves. The village slowly began to heal, but the scars of the nightmare would forever be etched in their memories. Qaswa, humbled by her experience, vowed to never let her curiosity lead her astray again. The village, though forever changed, learned the importance of caution and the consequences of tampering with the unknown. And so, the tale serves as a cautionary reminder that sometimes, even the smallest actions can unleash a darkness beyond our imagination, and that the road to redemption is often paved with hardships and sacrifice.